Guys, I am literally doing my hair, minding my business, drinking my water, and listening to the TV uh, to keep me company. And I was listening to, there's a new drug out for people with allergies, food allergies, and of course my ears perked up because we have that in our family. So I was listening to learn about this new drug, and when it came to the part where it was talking about the side effects, it actually said that it causes cancer. Before, uh, I would see some drugs for psoriasis or eczema or something like that, and it would say that at the very end, it would say something like it causes lymphoma. And that's after they show you all the happy people at the beach and holding hands, and everything is really nice and the music is great and colorful. Everybody's, wearing colorful clothes and everything. But at the end, they would say that it would cause lymphoma or other scary things that are not compatible with life. Um, but this particular one just came right out and said that it leads to cancer. And I thought to myself, why? Why is that? I don't remember. I don't remember hearing commercials and that advertise commercials to advertise medications that can have such dire side effects. Have you? Have you noticed that every other commercial has these really scary side effects, whether it's for food allergies or for eczema, or if you can't sleep, or something like that. All of these medications have these really serious, scary side effects, and I just don't remember. I just don't remember hearing that. Growing up. But now it's like literally every other commercial, they're telling you to take this stuff, and these are the side effects. So it just makes me feel like I just don't trust. I just don't. I just don't trust commercial, synthetic, man-made products or medications per se, because they sometimes the side effects are worse than what you're actually taking the medication for. Have you guys noticed that? Maybe you could comment below. Tell me, what do you think the reason is for this? You know, what do you think is the reason why these medications are so, um, to me, in my opinion, suspect? I personally wouldn't use it. I would look for some natural alternative because for me, natural is always better. And I'm not saying that natural stuff can't harm you. If you know how to use it or you know what to stay away from, like, you definitely wouldn't be like, outside just picking your own mushrooms or something like that. That might not work out too well. Um, yeah, don't do that. Always get your mushrooms from the store. But I personally wouldn't do that. But it just makes me feel like that's why I trust natural. Natural for me is always best, and that's why I make my own products. I might actually include some ideas to give you so that you could make your own too on this channel. That's the direction that I'm thinking. I just want to look into the legalities of that first, and then I'll have that on my channel. If comment below, let me know what you think about that. But I've always had the best results when I just use my natural products, when I use even hair products, when I use synthetic products. uh my hair just has not been thriving with that, so I had to figure out really quickly, I had to figure out a way to be able to get my hair to thrive and not fall out. And I found that natural is the way for me. So yeah, so I just wanted to share those thoughts. Let me know what you think. I have my water. I have my shea butter mixture that I made with shea butter and some other essential oils and some olive oil and some castor oil that I put in there. And that just helps my hair to not break and not stick together. It helps it to glide apart. So, yeah, I don't trust these products because they can't guarantee that there's no guarantee that they're safe. So comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Have you noticed this as well? Um, but yeah, as I mentioned, I just love natural for the win. And for me, natural's always best. So I hope I didn't ramble too much, but I will see you on the next video.